She's blowing bubbles out of the backside.
Did you want me to take that as well?
Oh yeah, you won't be able to hear it probably, but I can hear it. Man, this kid's got a lot of air in there.
Air?
Yeah, as in blowing bubbles.
Because she's your daughter.
You crazy baby girl. You nut.